Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited for this one because we are making one of my absolutely favorite Jamaican style fish. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess what it is? Let me show you guys. Today we are making this. Oh my gosh. This is Jamaican steamed fish. It's absolutely amazing. It tastes good, it smells good, and it is one of my faves because it's just so healthy. It helps keep the waist snatched because I can eat it by itself. I can have it with a little bit of rice. I can have it with veg. Guys, it just does the job. So let me stop rambling on. Continue watching for the full recipe. See you soon.
And we back, and we back, and we back, and we back, and we back.
So the ingredients we'll be using today will be pumpkin, scallion, carrots, red bell pepper, onion, tomatoes, okra. Now a tip my mother taught me to know whether okra is fresh or not is to snap it at the tip. If it snaps off easily, then it's fresh. If not, then it's old. Scotch bonnet, garlic, thyme, red snapper, fish tea soup and green seasoning. Now to prep the fish. Slice some slits into the body of the fish. I did 3. You can do this on both sides, but I prefer to do it on one side for this particular dish, and that's just to prevent it from falling apart once it's cooked. Next, season the fish with some green seasoning, fish seasoning, black pepper and some ground pimento. Then rub everything into the fish, not forgetting in the slits too. Next, heat up a hot pan with some butter and then add all your veggies and leave to saute for a few minutes. Once that's done, add the remaining seasoning along with some coconut milk and leave to simmer on low heat for 3 to 4 minutes. After that, I add my fish tea soup, minus the noodles because we don't want noodles in this. And then I add some water and leave everything to simmer for about 7 minutes. Finally, add the fish along with some bell peppers and okra to the pan and leave to steam on medium to low heat until the fish has cooked through. Give it a taste, guys. If it needs some adjusting with the seasoning, do so if necessary. And that's it. Your fish has been cooked to perfection and it should taste absolutely amazing. Yes, I said it, amazing. I served this up with some brown rice and stewed peas. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe for more.